Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Volvo S60 wiper blades using an easy method. Keeping your windshield clear is crucial for safety, and replacing worn blades is a simple maintenance task. We will go through 4 straightforward steps, from preparing your car to testing the new blades. This process typically takes less than 10 minutes for both front wipers, ensuring you maintain excellent visibility on the road. First, you need to put your wipers into service position. This can often be done via the center display screen or by turning off the ignition and pushing the wiper stalk up within 3 seconds. Once in position, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Locate the small lock button where the blade connects to the arm, press it, and slide the old blade straight off. Remember to hold the arm firmly to avoid it springing back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, let's install the new wiper blades. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the blade on until you hear a clear click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower the wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Always handle the arms with care to prevent any accidental damage. To complete the process, deactivate the service position. This usually happens automatically when you turn the ignition back on, or you might press the service position button again. Then, spray your windshield with washer fluid and test the new wipers to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Remember to always replace both front wiper blades together for optimal performance. Also, try not to touch the rubber part of the new blades, as oils from your skin can reduce their efficiency. You're all set for clear driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.